Hey guys, today we're going to do 5 things you don't know about DiMarzio pickups. Number 1. The DiMarzio Super Distortion was invented in the early 70s and is the first readily available aftermarket humbucker pickup. But that's not the only first. It's also the first humbucker to be sold without a chrome cover. He wanted the pickup to be double cream so it could be seen 50 feet away. That way when artists were playing it, you would know it was a DiMarzio. He also received a trademark, not only for the name Super Distortion, but for the double cream bobbins. By 1975, it was used by Kiss, Edgar Winter, Earl Slick, Return to Forever, and The Who. Number 2. You ever wonder about those Ibanez IBZ USA pickups that look so much like DiMarzio and say DiMarzio on them? Well, in this industry, it's real common for manufacturers to make an import version, but that's not the case with these DiMarzio pickups. These pickups are actually made in the USA in the same facility that all DiMarzio pickups are made. They're just made for Ibanez. To this date, DiMarzio has not made a single pickup outside of the US and its facility. Here's a bonus fun fact for you. You can get DiMarzio pickups either regular or F-spaced. F-spaced means that it's for a Floyd Rose or a tremolo, but the cool thing is that the F is always stamped at the bottom of the pickup so that you know if it's F-spaced. Number 3. There's a rumor that Larry DiMarzio learned how to build pickups from Bill Lawrence, and that's actually not true. Larry knew how to build pickups by the time he had met Bill Lawrence. However, he did work in Bill Lawrence's shop. Bill was working with ceramic magnets. Eventually, Larry was able to obtain some ceramic magnets, and he made the very first Super Distortion prototype, which eventually sold millions of pickups and started the high-output pickup revolution that we know today. Another fun fact, Bill Lawrence did develop a ceramic pickup for the Gibson L6, but it was years after the Super Distortion, and they don't sound anything alike. Number 4, the DiMarzio PAF. When we think of the PAF, we think of patent applied for, like in the very first pickup that Seth Lover made that just said patent applied for. But that's not entirely the case with the DiMarzio PAF. PAF is its name, and it is trademarked. So it's not a PAF, it's a PAF. Either way you think of it, that's why there's no periods in between the letters. That's its trademark name. Number 5, when you think of DiMarzio, you definitely think of guitar pickups. However, they made the very first aftermarket P and J pickups for bass in 1977. And since then, they've made all kinds of crazy bass pickups, including those crazy ones you see Billy Sheehan using. I know this is a 5 things video, but I had to do a number 6 because this bonus is my favorite. Number 6. Larry DiMarzio is so well known for pickups that he's not really known for the fact that he's a very accomplished photographer. He created an in-house photo and video agency to help artists promote their entire career. He's also done album covers and over 50 magazine covers. You can see some of his work on the DiMarzio website when looking at product photos and a large portion of the artist photos. He even did the Steve Vai cover of Guitar World this year, so check that out. Well, there you have it. 6 things you didn't know about DiMarzio pickups. Maybe you did, maybe you didn't. Put it in the comments down below. If you want to support this channel, you can buy merchandise or become a patron, but you can support this channel for absolutely free just by either hitting the thumbs up or subscribing or both. As always, I want to thank you so much for your time. Till the next time, know your gear.